Dream League Soccer, a football video game played by people who wish to play FIFA but don't have a console. I started playing this game 3 years ago after my mom smashed my PS4 because I didn't focus enough on my studies. And it's an amazing game. The offline games are interesting for the first few seasons but then gets boring as hell. Luckily, we can also play online against real players, which is a lot more interesting. Everyone has their own tactics and way of playing. Some people keep position and try creating low cross opportunities, which is very overpowered in this game and just guarantees a goal. Others attacking quick transitions using their fast forwards. Unpredictability is what makes online games a lot more fun to play. But just like all the other games, there are jerks who play this game who do not miss any opportunity to taunt you. And I'm sure we all have encountered some kind of jerk. Someone who keeps passing at the back as soon as he takes the lead. Or someone who starts spamming emojis when he scores a last minute goal. And the worst one, someone who watches replays of their goals when we didn't watch ours. Let me tell you all my craziest encounter with someone like this. I was playing online as usual and matched up with someone who had a max team just like mine. We both showed the handshake emoji and the match started. I scored the first goal and didn't watch the replay. He equalized moments later and so didn't he. We were equal at full time and the match went to extra time. Unfortunately, in the dying minutes of the game, I fouled him in the penalty box. And as he scored the penalty, he started spamming emojis as it was too late for me to do anything. The game ended and I immediately started another one, disappointed about what just happened. Midway through the next game, I noticed something. The playing style of this team was similar to the ones I played before this game. I then thought that this might be the same team, but still wasn't sure as I couldn't remember the name of the previous team. Anyways, I lost the match 4 goals to 1 and he did watch replays and spam emojis, which was a confirmation for me that it was actually him. Even more disappointed, I immediately started another game hoping to play against him one more time. And guess what? It was him. This was my golden opportunity to take revenge. I don't exactly remember the score, but we drew and it went to penalties. And I lost again. I was now pissed. Very pissed. I lost 3 games in a row and gave him 9 points just like that. I really wanted to play with him one more time. We have already played 3 times, which in itself is very rare. But something inside told me that we are going to meet again. And guess what? It was him again. I wasn't going to lose this time. I lost the previous games because I gave a stupid penalty and chose the wrong sides during the shootout. It wasn't that hard to beat him, I just had to be a little bit more focused. The match started. I scored the first goal quite early. And yes, I watched the complete replay and also spammed emojis. I then scored again and again. I won the game 3-0. It was so relieving spamming emojis to someone like him. But it wasn't over yet. I've only defeated him once. I wanted to play with him one more time. And we met again. Honestly, I wasn't even surprised anymore. The match started and long story short, I thrashed him 3-0 again.